thought I'd do a wee recording of my lawnmower. It has wings. They've been wandering through here, which is already shorter and flattened. I'm just going to go through all through here. I haven't been coming to the front because of the neighbour across the road. It's just obnoxious, and his loud dog. But I need to start tending to this garden now. We're in spring, the vernal is approaching. But this is the lawnmower. I much prefer that sound than the bloody gas guzzlers. You having fun there? No. The other benefit of this type of lawnmower, it also destroys slugs and snails at the same time, some bugs you don't want. A couple of the eucalyptus trees here, they're infested with a few diseases. The ducks have been picking off at the base of the trunks, which will be cleaning them up like a vacuum. The other benefit is that they aerate the soil a little bit without destroying I've forgotten the word. Basically layers of soil. You got your O layer, you got your A layer. They don't impact on that or destroy it like the electrical equipment does. And they do leave little holes, but that's fine. To me, that's aeration. Saves me as a horticulturist doing aeration myself. They're little horticulturists. They till the soil, which is what horticulture means. Soil tillers, soil tillers. And their poop breaks down quickest than any other animal, including chickens. Can't talk this morning. I still have my coffee going on. Oh, here comes Maggie. Oh no, she's not coming this way. The Maggie does like to. She's too busy swooping some construction going on over there. But she will have a go at my ducks if they're at the front and on their own. Not if they're in the back, but you know, I stay with them at the front just in case people going fast. So the other benefit too is their poop has the best nutrient value out of all animals. So, you know, can you beat that? Lawnmower, slugger, snail destroyer, aerator of the soil, soil tiller, fertilizer, and darn stinking cuteness all in one. And no lawnmower noise. Well, I've got grass cutter. And they love dandelions. So do I. So, you know, we kind of share the dandelions here. Dandelions don't really last long in this place. Usually gone by the time they start to flower. Because we eat them. But we keep getting them, which is great. I love it. Growing lawn and grass literally is like looking at death. It's so horrible. Every time I see just, you know, blocks of just short grass like this, I see death. That's what I see. Shit soil, absorbing all the water, providing no ecosystem, not really supporting life. Oh freak, have you discovered lamb's ears? No, you found some nice oily bits. But you know, it's a good idea too if you're letting your ducks clean up, you know, patches of garden as well. It's a good idea to keep an eye on, because you know they will eat your succulents. They will get into some tasty things. They don't do as much damage as chickens do. Gosh, chickens will just uproot everything just to get to the root bulb where all the grub is. Hey, Mr. Bee, I noticed my first bee yesterday. Like, you know, honeybee. And hey, this is where I want you. Oh, Cookie! Come on, kids. What are you doing? Cookie monster. Yeah, Cookie. Come on, kids. In we go. Time to go to the bath. Come on. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. No, no, no. This way. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Good puppies. Come on. Up, 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 up. Oh, my puppy ducks. Puppy ducks. Oh, poor Bella. You waddle the most. I know. So you got the biggest caboose. But literally in my backyard, bar a little patch, like, you know, a 10 centimetre mound here and there, I don't have any grass that's longer than 2 centimetres. The ducks just mow it all down, which is grand. Anyway, blessed be, Merry of Heart. Thought I'd just share my lawnmower. Bye for now.